Hello everybody, let's start this unboxing for this hand grinder from Binko. It comes in a tidy case. Let's see what's inside the box. Here is a grinder. The external adjustment systems is a huge plus. And let's check the grinding handle. This is a grinding chamber, the beans, and here is a grinder. The grinder handle feels solid and comfortable. And let's see, the ground chamber is clean and well designed. This grinder feels premium. You can tell the build quality is serious from the first touch. Looks more expensive than its actual pricing. What coming just also, we have here inside the box cleaning brush, user manual, and I think that's all. Yeah, and there is a small, here is a small scoop, and that's all. Next time we are going to test this grinder. See you later. Goodbye. Now let's see just how much this grinder is. There are just two shopping sites with two different prices for this grinder. I took the one, I just purchased it from the one has mega sale, and you will see it now in the next screen.